About to go in this Cary African and Caribbean market to get this man some palm oil that I forgot to get. So let's go.
$45.
Ogilvy $7.99. Probably want to come to this one. Cornmeal. Oh, they got a green plantain fufu. The yam flour.
These fresh shit's outrageous.
Yam flour. They got the ground red millet. They got the white millet. Whole red millet. These black eyed peas too. Oh, these honey beans, $11.99. See? Brown beans. I had to show my husband these, so he'll know. Pigeon beans, so he'll know. Over meat. This the lotus bean. I had to show them that they got it. See? And they got the stockfish. All of this up in here. See? It's $11.54 though. Alright. Oh, I need to get. Oh, and I got the agigi bread up in here too.
Let's just get around here.
What's this they got? Okay.
More bread. Why are we keeping bread in the refrigerator?
So it won't go bad. Yes. They got the bitter leaf. Okay. They got the cassava leaf up in here. Frozen cassava. Oh, they got the dawa too. I was trying to see if they had the ugu, and I call it izaza. Izaza leaf. To show you. Oh, that's how they got me. So I can show him. That's the semolina. See, it's choking you already. All right. About to try some banga soup that we got from one of the African stores in Fayetteville, North Carolina, with some pounded yam.
It's not as good as